Oh, how I wonder what this giant box from Nike could possibly be. What is going on, everybody? Home Nation back here bringing you another video today. This is going to be one very special video today because I have a package from Nike that is something out of this world that I personally have never seen before. Before I get anywhere else in this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Join the nation down below. I hope you guys really like that intro because that will be the intro from now on for most of my videos. In the future, I will change it up. So like I said, we got a package from Nike and this is a really special package. Right here, I am holding the box for the Nike Adapt BB. If you guys don't know what this shoe is, this is Nike's first ever auto lacing basketball shoe. Yes, I just said auto lacing. The shoe ties itself and it's very cool. I'm going to show you exactly how it does it right in this video. So let's see what's in this giant box. So right here, you can see the tag. I got a size 13. Retail on this shoe was $350. Nike Adaptive BB right there. All around, look at the shoe. You got the two dots on the side. You got the nice carrying handle on top of the box. So the first thing you want to do when opening up this box, right here, up on the sides, you want to slide this thing out of its package, just like that. Then you got the nice cardboard giant box right here. Don't know if you can see it. It says Electro Adaptive Reactive Lacing, which is what they use to tie the shoe, and it's also known as Earl. You got the cardboard cutouts right here on both sides, so I'm just gonna open up both sides and then lift up the package. So right here, as you can see, we do have both these shoes right here, wrapped in this nice Nike plastic. So let me get them both out of the plastic and let me show you guys. And here we have it right here. We have the Nike Adapt BB auto lacing basketball shoe. Now you can see with the shoe what it comes with. It's got a nice upper black mesh silver lining upper, which is very comfortable around your feet for when the shoe auto laces itself. You got right here the pods. Pods, this is how you charge the shoe. You put your shoe on the charging pad right here and it charges over time. One full charge can last about 3 weeks per shoe, so that's pretty nice. Got that nice slick matte black design with a nice bottom, very cushiony bottom, with that nice icy sole. And right here, the two dots is what you see on the side of the box and right here on the side of the shoe. Right here is the charging pad that the shoes actually come on. So what you do is you put the shoes on here, you plug this in, put the shoes on here, and it'll actually charge the shoes through the soles. That's awesome. That's so cool. Look at that right here. This is so nice. You see right there is the import where you plug it into the wall. Those shoes right here. This thing is sweet. Right here, you got this little silver metallic Nike. Let's see what's in here. Nike Adapt Earl BB. Right here, you got the plug that you put into the wall. Right here, you got the cable that goes into the plug and then goes into the charging pad. Very cool. That's all that's inside the bag. Let's see if there's anything else that's in there. So right here, we actually have like an instruction manual for the shoes. It says get started, how to actually charge the shoes, and exactly what you have to do with them. Power up. It actually has right here, I don't know if you can see, it's got colors. The red means charge now. Orange means charge soon, yellow means plenty, and then green means fully charged. And then you have to make it yours through the Nike Adapt app, which I'll be showing you in a couple minutes. So that was everything inside the box. Let me now get these shoes charged up, and I'll show you how they work. So right here, guys, I'm opening up the Nike Adapt app, and you see right here, hello Alex, welcome to the future of adaptive footwear. Let's connect your Nike Adapt BBs. So just click next. It says connect your left shoe. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna have to tap the camera area to the the two dots on the left shoe. So let me do that right now for you guys. So right here, I got the left shoe. I left it was charging a little bit. So right here, tap your left shoe. Connecting. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. Tap to confirm. Press any button on the left shoe to connect to your device. And I'll do that right now. Press this button right here. Tap to confirm. Now I gotta do the same thing to the right shoe. Right here I got the right shoe. Just tap that. Connecting. We gotta pair it again. I gotta tap another button around here. Pressed it, let's turn green. Then I confirmed it. Now it says I gotta adjust the shoes to make them my perfect fit. Now I gotta put on my shoes. So now at this point it says I gotta put on my shoes. So let me do that. Let me start with the right shoe. Okay guys, so right now I don't have my other camera, so I can show you exactly how it works through the app. So I can just show you with the two buttons right on the side. So right here on the side, like I said, the two buttons from before. You're gonna have one that's closer and then the one that's farther away. So the one that's closer, this one is actually gonna be tightening the shoe. So I'm gonna press it and let's hear it. When I put on the shoe, that red dot means it's all the way as tight as possible it can go. So the second dot right here on the further part, that's going to loosen the shoe. So I'm going to loosen it all the way. So just listen. So right there, the shoe is as loose as it possibly is. And also a cool thing on the app is that the two dots, right now they're not any color, but you are able to change the colors on them through the app, which I think is another cool feature on the shoe. Just for video's sake, I'll do it on the other shoe. Let me tighten it. Tightened all the way, to blink red. Now I'm going to loosen it. That's how you tighten and loosen the Nike Adapt BB. So that's it guys, that is the review of my brand new Nike Adapt BB shoes, and honestly, this is the future. I can't believe that I will finally be owning a pair of shoes that auto-lace themselves. Never would I ever thought I would own a pair of shoes that I didn't have to tie, except slides and slip-ons. Those don't matter. An actual basketball shoe that I don't have to tie. So if you guys like this video, make sure you leave it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. And honestly, have a great day. Peace.